Health is a must. Why not earn while taking care of yourself? You focus on getting paid. We handle the rest. Still spending money on health supplements every day. Time to shift your mindset. Let me show you how to stay healthy and make money. While others pay to stay alive, you earn by staying well. Here's how passive income becomes real. Exclusive product access. Authorized big brand. Genuine health supplements totally hands-off. No shipping. No selling. Orders come in. Commissions hit your account automatically. Personal use equals profit. Every bottle you take counts as performance. Save money and turn savings into earnings. 100% legal and legit. Earn confidently. Sleep peacefully. Perfect for you if your salary isn't even enough to cover supplements. You want a side hustle but fear inventory risk. You hate selling and don't want to bother people. Steps to start earning. Add me on WeChat. Gayo 767,301,666. Join the free group and learn how it works. Take action. Then sit back and watch commissions roll in. Health can't wait. And neither can income. Add me now and turn your health expenses into your next paycheck.
谢谢观看。